I have been recording this video in my YouTube studio, which I recently built to record my videos. As I was thinking to start this channel a long time ago, and I thought this is the best opportunity to work on this model. And I started this channel about 2 months ago. I was doing different businesses online, and I was thinking to start that project because it was my new project, and I was entering into the online world. So I started working on that two projects a long time ago in 2012, and that was a political website and a village life website. But that was not more successful project which I have started a long time ago. But that was not a very successful project, so decided to take steps how things work on and how things go on, how you decide the things, how you plan for the future, how you plan things if you are going to start a new business, and what are a few opportunities which you learn when you start working on any project from very beginning. In that time, I was drop out from my university, so was thinking to work on different things, to work on any my own project, or to do the masters from Australia. So that all things were working together, and in the meantime I was thinking all of these things. That was quite confusing at the time because when you are just on struggling phase, you have to face different challenges. You are not clear about your career, and you are not clear about your business, not clear about your goals, because I was working on these things, so I was very confused. Then back in 2014, I started working in a company called Handtech, and I was working as a product manager with the team. I was handling the Amazon account as well because I was a new trainee, and they were just giving the trainings to me how things work on. So that was quite interesting phase. I was thinking on multiple things at the time. Thinking to do the MS from abroad, thinking to do the job, thinking to do the business, and very confusing. In 2014, when I was working in that company, I just got my visa from Australia. I applied for a master in business administration, and I got my visa. So I just moved back to Australia in 2016 and started working on different things when I moved over there. I started an eBay store. I tried to build my Shopify website. So I started working on Shopify back in 2016, and that was a quite new experience for me. I was working previously on Amazon and eBay. I was working on that project as a new beginner for this Shopify website. I was a student in university, so it was a very difficult task for me to manage my business, to give time to my job, and to give time to my university, to my college. By doing job for almost 2 years, at the end of 2017, I decided to start scaling of my Shopify store, and I started working on that. Just check few things, few products which I can put on my store, and which can perform better, because it was a Christmas event. Christmas was coming, so I was thinking to put products related to Christmas. People may be thinking to buy the products for their loved ones, maybe thinking to buy products as a gift. I started working putting the products which I thought would be very helpful for people to find them online. So I just started putting that products online on Shopify and started working to advertise that website on Facebook. When I started scaling my store in 2018 and started advertising aggressively, so I was getting plenty of orders at the time, and I started working on different things as well at the time because I was quite new to the business and don't know how to manage the finances and each and everything. So that year was very interesting and challenging for me as well. I was getting issues from the payment gateways. My finances were not managing, and I was expecting to manage them, and I was getting my orders late and each and everything. So in 2019, I started to quit that project and started working on multiple things. 2019, I started to quit that project and started working on something which I can have stock on my own warehouse, which I can ship by myself. My suppliers were making issues. They were shipping the products late, and I was getting negative reviews from the customers. I was getting my orders late. So I got a small warehouse in Sydney to ship all my orders by myself. I was doing quite good as well in start, but things started getting worse when Christmas approached because my orders were getting late. I was getting stuck in customs. I was thinking to build my business from dropshipping model to retail model, some kind of retail model, some kind of online model, from some kind of warehouse model, from where I can ship products by my own and that was a very challenging phase for me. I lost plenty of money in that phase. So I started to work on Amazon. I started to work on different things at that time. From that time, I have been working on Amazon and different platforms to build my online portfolio more stronger. And I am not in favor of doing the Shopify drop shipping. When you ship the orders to your customers just get the order from the other supplier. So if packaging does not have your name on it, you can get plenty of complaints from customers, you can get negative reviews, and you can get returns as well. So I just started to think working on Amazon and different models from where I will be shipping my own products, or at least I should have brand products which I own, like wholesale model, which I get on wholesale from different brands and put them in my own warehouse and then ship them by myself or ship them by Amazon if I am working on Amazon model. So that model was quite good because you are working on a different model, you are shipping the products directly to your customer by your own. Amazon is shipping on your behalf and they are shipping the products from their own warehouse in the US. So that was a quite different model and it was a quite better model. Now at that time when 2023 has been started, I have been working on Amazon and I have a small affiliate account. You can check my affiliate account links. I will put in description, and that is my affiliate account store on Amazon. When someone visit that link and they go to Amazon, I just made a small commission and there is no cost to the customer. So I am working on Amazon affiliate model to monetize my traffic, working on email newsletter because I have a newsletter, weekly newsletter. Whatever thing I am working on, I just put them in newsletter and send them to my email list to let them know that I have been working on this project. I check the content on Twitter, I check the content on YouTube, and check the content on different platforms. I just put them in my newsletter and just let them, my email list, know that these are the things I have been working on, these are the things you need to check. If you are going to start a business, you can use the software. I just recommend different softwares on my newsletter, different articles and different platforms. Recently, I have started working on YouTube, what things I have been doing in my life and what are my 2023 targets and how I am going to achieve them, just to film all of these because it's my passion. I can easily check my content, I can easily check my different steps which I have been taking in my daily routine. So that's why I have been creating the content I would love to create. Although these all side hustles are not making much more money for me, but I am not concerned about the money. I am more concerned about my content creation, more concerned about my confidence, more confident about my speaking, more confident about my building my own passion, what I love to do. So in 2023, I've been working to scale up my YouTube, working to scale up my other side hustles, looking to build my email list more greater, looking to grow my Amazon business, looking to grow my affiliate business, and also I am looking to grow my agency business. So these are all the side hustles I have been working on. I think I should be able to achieve all of my goals in 2023, which I have already set for myself. I've been feeling a bit lazy in my life, doing things very late, thinking them more and doing them in a later time, thinking more about them and doing nothing. These are the bad habits I have, and I have been thinking to work on them, to work more, to feel more energized, to feel more passionate about my passion. When I started our YouTube studio, I have been facing different challenges because I was thinking how to record the videos, how to be more confident to speak in camera, and how I will edit all these videos, which content I should work on, and from where I will be getting the content ideas. So these are all the things I was thinking, and I am more concerned now as well because I have been working on all of these things and I hope I will tackle them in a better way. At that time, I have been using my simple iPhone to record all of my content on which I have been working on. That's all for my 2023 goals which I have been working on. We'll share more videos regarding my Amazon business, regarding my agency business, regarding my YouTube studio if I have been facing any issues. I am also going to record a video about my newsletter as well, what challenges I have been facing to build my newsletter and how you can build your own newsletter. So just put an eye on your notification and I hope you will love my videos. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this will help you to build your own business. I hope this will help you to make your own content, and I hope this will help you if you are going to start earning money online. That's all for today. I will be back with another video soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.